Oh hello, I'm Henry and this is my bike check. These are Vans Colt waffle grips in gum colour. They're pretty comfy because they've worn in now. They had a Colt bar ends as well. The Federal 2020s, 4-piece bars, black, good size. Stolen TLC stem, chrome, top loader, good. Salt headset, black. I've had it for ages, it's stock. It's not that great, but it does the job.
Cool.
The Federal lacy forks, black, good. I've only had them for about a month, and yeah, they're running well. Front wheel, it's actually just a Salt stock whole front wheel. Haven't really changed it yet, but I need to get a new one because it's not great. Fit FAF tyre, had it for about a year now, but nothing's really gone wrong with it. I smell nooks and crannies. Frame BSD Waza, 2013 in matte red. Got it for Christmas. Cheers Santa, mate! Yeah, it's really nice. Probably the best part of my bike. Salt seat post, black. It does the job. Exposure seat, really comfy. Definitely worth the value. Only like £13. Really, really incredibly shit. Salt stock cranks in blue. Don't get them. It's so bad. Yeah, but should be getting some new cranks for the next couple of days. Eclat pedals. I got them when I got my whole new bike as well. I've had them for ages. Need some new ones. Great. Sprocket, salt as well, and the chain, salt as well. Pretty bad. Odyssey back tyre. It's got a little bit of a problem. I call him Tim. He's got a bit of a tumour. You can poke him if you like. There you go. Ah! Oh, he didn't like that. BSD Street Hub in chrome. It's really good. It's been running for quite a while now and I haven't really had any problems. Recommend it. Get one. Not even sure what the room is. It's a bit worrying. There's Tim down there. Just smiling away. Don't poke him. Right, yeah, I'm just gonna say it's what should I say? It's X-rated. No, I got it from Halfords. Hooking me up. Cheers, guys. Hello.